Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to withdraw money from Revolut. So this is pretty simple. Open up your Revolut app, use your fingerprint or your PIN to get in your app, then simply go over here down to payments and click on plus to add new recipient, which will be your bank account. So click on bank recipient. Then type here your IBAN, so simply type it here. Now make sure you make no mistake typing your IBAN because if you make some mistake, the money will not come on your account. Instead, they will be withdrawn to another account and you will not be able to get them. Here, just simply type your name and your last name, and the email is optional, so you don't have to do that. Then press on add recipient and you should see that it will be added, and now you can withdraw money. So let's say I want to withdraw 10 euro, so I will click on 10 euro and press send. Now as you can see, this is the review of your sending, so click on send right here and it should be successful. And this is how you simply do this. So this is how you withdraw money in Revolut. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.